What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're drawing the Toppat Airship from Among Us. Let's get started on the bottom left side of our page and draw an oval in a slight angle. So we're going to start right in the middle. Start by going out toward the left. Round this out. Come down along the bottom and up towards the right. I'm going to round this out and then just pull that back up towards the top. Let's go to the center and draw a smaller oval right in the middle. And then we'll draw an even smaller oval right along the top. From the top of that center oval, we'll draw two straight angled lines, one going up on the left and then the right, come down towards the bottom, angle down and out toward the left and right, and we'll fill those two areas in black. Now you want to trace the side and the top of that oval. So we start over on the left, go out, up, in towards the middle, work our way across, and then back in on the right. Let's round out the side. Starting on the left, curve this out, and then in, go over towards the right side, go in the opposite direction. And we'll close off the bottom. Starting back on the left, come down and then up on the right side. Let's go over towards the top left, draw a straight line going up, go to the back on the right and go up toward the top, and then we'll connect the ends with a curve going up and then down. Now we want to draw a smaller version of this over on the right. So let's line up the center of that oval, starting from the top, go out, in towards the right, and then back up towards the top. And then again, in the center, we'll draw a small oval. And we'll add a smaller oval along the top. Let's add those propeller lines. Starting from the top, angle up and out towards the top, and then the bottom, and then we'll fill those areas in black. And just like we did on the left, we're going to surround the side and the top of that oval. Starting from the bottom left, go around, then up towards the top, go out towards the right, and then hook that back in. Let's round out the sides. Going out and then in. And we'll close off the bottom with a curve. Coming down and then up. Let's go to the top left, draw a short line going up, go to the right, do the same thing, and then again we're going to close out the top with a curve, going up and then down. Let's draw the bottom of the ship in behind. We're going to start on the left, draw a straight line going all the way across towards the right, line this up on the right side, draw a short line going out towards the back. Let's line this up on the left side. We're just going to bend the body going out and then up. Let's round out the front of the ship. Starting back on the left, curve this out, then this up and in. It's going to round out the top, and then just pull that down on the right side. And then from here we'll draw a straight angle line coming down towards the back of the ship. Now from the top we're going to draw the back of the fin. We're going to go up and bend that out. Now from here we're going to work our way down towards the bottom of the ship. Curve in, down, and then out. Draw one more curve. Going in and pull that all the way down towards the bottom. Let's add that propeller on the back of the fin. We're going to start with a circle, starting from the top, go all the way around towards the bottom, and then back up towards the top. Let's add a small circle in the center. And then we'll add three propellers on the inside. Starting from the top, angle up and out, step over. Now we're just going to fan this out so it gets wider as we go to the outside. Let's add another one on the left, going up, step down, again just tapering that out. And we'll add one more along the bottom. Go straight down, step over, draw another line. Let's draw the inside edge of the fin on the right side. Stepping in, just trace that curve going all the way around towards the bottom. Let's go all the way over towards the front of the ship and add those windows. We're going to start from the top, draw a straight line coming down, and then go straight out toward the left. Let's leave a gap. Just going to curve this down and then in, just lining this up, straight down towards the bottom, and then following that same curve, going out and then up. Let's add two thinner windows along the bottom. Stepping down, then in, draw a short line, and then following that same curve, going out. And we'll draw that same thing one more time. Step down towards the bottom, and then out towards the left. Let's add some windows on the right side. Starting up here, start with a straight line going across the top. Now from the outside, we're going to angle down and over towards the right. Close this off with a straight line. Now add 4 small circles along the bottom. Starting on the left, draw 1 circle, go all the way over towards the right, draw another circle, add 2 more on the inside. Let's follow this angled line down underneath the circles, draw another line going all the way across. Then from the end, we're just going to curve this out and then down, and close this off with a straight line. Let's add a simple hat logo on the right. We're going to start at the top. We're going to start with an oval, going down in an angle, and then back up towards the top. And then from the outside, we're going to curve this in towards the bottom, close off the bottom with a curve. And then we'll draw the brim of the hat. On the left, step up, just draw an oval, going all the way around, and then back up on the right. Let's add more windows in the center of the ship. Starting from the top, start with a straight line going across. On the left side, come straight down, come in with a short line, down towards the bottom of the window, and go all the way out towards the right. Now I'm going to go back up to the top, draw a short line coming down, line this up on the right side, and then we'll close this off. Let's move down and over towards the right, draw another line going across, come down the sides, and then we'll close off the bottom. Let's add a smaller window in the middle. Go across the top, down the sides, and then across the bottom. Let's add a row of 5 small circles along the top. Starting on the left, start with 1, leave a gap, and draw 4 more. And then in between those circles, we're going to step down, draw another one, move over, and work our way out towards the right. And we'll add 1 more on either side. Now we're going to go back and add some cracks across the ship. Starting on the left side, start with a short line coming in, go up here, draw another line going across, and then in the center, draw a short line going up. Let's go down to the front propeller on the outside, curve around and then in, come down towards the bottom right, go out and up. Let's add a few more along the back, starting on the top, a short line going up, in the middle, curve down and then in, and then on the outside, draw a short line going up. And that's pretty much it. There's our Toppat airship from Among Us. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. Make sure you subscribe and send me your requests in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon.